especially at the beginning. If he ever escapes one day, yeah, now you know why.
My body. Oh, she said
Chickens hate the cold, but hey, daily exercise is still non-negotiable. When we're scared, we instinctively run to where we feel safest. So does this cat. I'm pretty sure that chicken volunteered to be caught.
Я когда его выбирала, это, наверное, мне Господь сказал, держи себе, которая украсит все твои дни, потому что ты, бедняжка, намучилась.
Forget the serious horse image you see on TV. This is the real deal. Forget the serious horse image you see on TV. This is the real deal.
Did you forget to pay, buddy?
Struggling this morning.
It's the local turkey gang.
This video is pure heart-melting energy.
His father is a very good man. His mother is a terrific woman. Okay,
Is he not moving? Say, come on, Bubba.
This little girl can proudly say she's had team leading experience since age 3. Dad, what about me? Don't forget me, just because there's a baby now. Babysitting duty seems a little too easy for you, huh, buddy? Family members take care of each other. That's just how it works.
It's okay, Will. Betty.
His babysitting skills have officially reached the level of doing absolutely nothing perfectly. What's better than having two siblings, sharing a love for music, obviously.
Brody, that's a baby.
Parents can relax, the goat has cheering duties covered.
Я когда его выбирала, это, наверное, мне Господь сказал, держи себе, которая украсит все твои дни, потому что ты, бедняжка, намучилась.
Squad up, boys.
To moms, every child feels like their own.
Seat.
What are you doing?
Babysitting duty seems a little too easy for you, huh, buddy?
Hey, girly pop.
Cows chasing people isn't aggression, it's protection, panic, or guarding their babies.
around the rosy, pocket full of toesy. I will butt you, you butt me.
That one friend who turns into the clown the second a camera shows up. You've been playing with it long enough. Dog is probably the easiest way to teach a kid how to love. Stop worrying about dogs and babies not getting along. They're literally made for each other.
Is he not moving? Say, come on, Bubba.
Still so small, yet already fully committed to working out. Dad, what about me? Don't forget me, just because there's a baby now.
Oh,
Push him, push him. Go, go.
go, 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 go.
Push him, push him.
Around the rosy, pocket full of toesy. I will butt you, you butt me.
That one friend who turns into the clown the second a camera shows up. Bonding with a little sister is...
Yeah.
Hey,
Seat.
Bubba. Bubba. Hey, 怎么烦人的？
get it, Bella. Get it. Good.
The little guy just got himself a tiny tail and a best buddy to grow up with. for everything your partner does.
Hey Elsa, Elsa, can you please teach me how to swim? I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Start.
Jack. Cups.
You giving Daisy a kiss. Oh, that's nice, Alicia.
The lazy uncle and his hyperactive little nephew. With an in-house doctor like this, your health is basically covered, buddy.
Що перше пирогами нагодувала, а потім слухає, чи не вмирає.
Movies are always better when you have someone to watch them with. Chickens hate the cold, but hey, daily exercise is still non-negotiable.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
My pig. Hey. No. No. No.
I'm pretty sure that chicken volunteered to be caught.
You got manners.
Go overcome.
You go, big guy.
That.
It's flying.
Hey, help me out here. I just want to play a little...
That's amazing. The one in front always takes the biggest risk.
Mano, o que vocês estão fazendo? Ai, meu Deus do céu.
Movies are always better when you have someone to watch them with. This video is pure heart-melting energy.
Pet him. Pet him.
Hi, pig. Hey! No! No. No.
Especially at the beginning.
Probably attack though. Do you think so? Yes. All right. I think it's better to not go any closer. But oh yeah.
The big sister and her little sibling who clearly doesn't know his limits yet.
You're slapping the heck off.
Judy, you have a bag on your head. Please let me get it off. Judy! Judy! Judy!
You found a turtle?
Hold on, guys.
Hey, help me out here. I just want to play a little... friendship starts with a hug.